Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, HISWA. So, students, I am ASIF. This is class 6, chapter number 5, fractions, exercise 5D. Because here, today we are going to solve a couple of questions of exercise 5D. In the previous video, we have already solved question 1 to 15 and the homework given. Okay, now here from 16 to 30 now we are going to solve, and among these questions we have taken question number 21 because the question number 16, 17 and up to 21 are from, especially from question number 18 to 20 are the similar type of questions. If one is understand, then all clear. Okay, now here see, we have taken 21 question and says arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Okay, so in such types of questions, here is the 3 by 4, 7 by 8, 11 by 16 and 23 by 32. This is the fractions numbers, and how to decide this fractions is greater and how to compare, because in the previous video we have already compared the fractions of the given two fractions, very easy. But here the more than two fractions are given. First of all, we have to compare which fractions is the least and which are the greatest fraction. Okay, now in order to find out the comparison among them, first of all we have to take the LCM of all denominators and put the fractions as the same denominator. That means we have to put all the fractions as like fractions, then we can easily decide which fractions is greater or less. Now let us see, friends. Now here, friend, we have already taken 4, 8, 16 and 32. The LCM of 4, 8, 16, 32 is equal to 32. You can easily find out, then check is it correct or not. Here the LCM 32. Now that means we are going to change all the fractions with denominator as 32. Okay, that means put all the fractions should be put in the like fraction. So here have a look for now we are going to forward 3 by 4. First of write the 3 by 4. Okay, now write the denominator as 32. Now divide this 32 by 4. If you divide this 32 by 4, yes, becomes 8, because 4 8 is 32. Then 8, this quotient 8 is multiplied by 3. So 8 3 is 24. Now we are going to explain once again. First of all, then write the, because we are going to change all the fractions as denominator 32. Now we are going to work for 3 by 4. Write the 3 by 4 is equal to, write the, this is the line or line segments. Now denominator should be 32. Then divide this 32 by 4. Okay, have a look, friend. Divide this 32 by 4. This is 4 8 ja 32. Okay, that means here is 8. This quotient is multiplied by this numerator. So 8 multiplied by 3 becomes 24. Hence we can say 3 by 4 is equal to 24 by 32. Okay, now for this 7 by 8. Similarly we can proceed same as this. This is, write the 32. Divide 32 by 8. 8 4 ja 4. 4 is the quotient. Now multiply 4 by 7. 4 7 ja 28. Okay, now for this 11 by 16. Write denominator as it is, 32. Then divide denominator this 32 by 60. So 16 2 ja 32. 2, the quotient is 2. 2 multiplied by 11 means 11 2 ja 22. Now the last for 23, because 23 by 32 is as it is as it is. That means divide this 32, put the, first of all put the denominator as 32, divide this denominator 32 by this, becomes 1. 1 multiplied by 23 is as it is 23. Now we have already changed all the fractions into like fractions. Have a look. Like fraction means fractions having same denominator, 32 32 32 32 is the same denominator. Now we can easily decide, okay, which fraction is greater. Now if we change all the fractions as like fraction, then we have to look for, no, we have to see the numerators. The greater numerators is called the greater fraction. Here is the greater numerator says, yes, greater numerator 24 28 22. Yes, greater numerator is 8 28. So that means 7 by 8 is the greatest fraction among these. Okay, and we have to write the ascending order. Ascending order means first the greatest integer should be last. Okay, here is the last greatest integer, or either we can select the first smallest integer. Now smallest fraction is 22. Here the 22 is the smallest fraction because the numerator is the very smallest. So then write the smallest integer. Okay, the smallest integer is 11 by smallest fraction 11 by 16. Why? Because this having a smallest numerator. Now next, this is 20, 3 by 32. Then afterwards 24 means 3 by 4. Okay, now instead of 28, and the last is 7 by 8. Here have a look, friends. Now we have already arranged this ascending order. This is the smallest fraction among this, and this is the greatest fraction. This is smaller, then write the greater, then greater, and then the greatest. So this is your answer. I hope you will understand. Now see, friends, question number 25 says arrange the following fractions in descending order. This is the same question as the previous, but this is the vice versa. Means the past questions was arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Means ascending order means we have to write the first smallest fraction, then greater, and the last greatest. But here is the just reverse. First of all, see the fractions. Here the given fractions. Now in order to find out the descending order, first of all take the LCM of all denominators. We have already taken the LCM of all denominators, 7, 14, 21 and 42. The LCM of 7, 14, 21, 42 is 42. We have checked. Okay, now for 5 by 7 is good because we have to change all the fractions as denominator 42 means like fraction. We have to change all the fractions as like fraction with denominator 42. So this is why for 5 by 7 could be written as first of all write the 42 as a denominator. Okay, and divide this 42 by 7. Always we have to divide this LCM by its denominator of the fraction. Okay, here is the denominator 7. This 42 is divided by 7 becomes 6. 6 multiplied by 5, 30. And similarly we can solve for 9 by 14. For 9 by 14 now divides 42 by 14. 14 3 ja 42. 14 3 ja 42. Then 3 multiplied by 9. 9 3 ja 27. Similarly 42 divided by 21. 21 2 ja 42 and 17 multiplied by 2 becomes 34. Okay. Similarly for 31st by 42 here. Now 42 divided by 42 1 multiplied by 21 same. Now we have to set and we have to select the first greatest fraction. Here the greatest fraction means the greatest numerator. Greatest numerator is 34. Okay, have a look. Here is the greatest fraction. 34 by 42 is the greatest fraction among them. Then this is why this fractions returns the first. So 17 by 21st is the greatest because we have to arrange the descending order. Means the first write the greatest fraction. Here is the I have already placed the greatest fraction. Okay, then the smaller, just a smaller. Here is the 31st is just a smaller. 31st by 42. Here 31st by 42 written. Then 30 by 42, and instead of 30 by 42 we can write the 5 by 7. Then the last is 9 by 14. This is your final answer, and we have already arranged all the fractions as descending order. Here is the descending order. This is the greatest, then decrease, then decrease, then decrease. Okay, I hope you will be clear. Now next question. Now see friends, question number 20 is very interesting question. Question 28 says Lalit read 30 pages of a book containing 100 pages, while Sarita read 2/5 of the book. Who read more? किसने ज़्यादा पढ़ा ये फाइंड करना. ओके, ललित सॉरी रेड है. Who read more? किसने ज़्यादा पढ़ा? Listen friends. First of all write down the given terms, and the given is for Lalit. For Lalit is 30 pages. Lalit reads here is 30 pages. Okay, that means out of 100 pages Lalit read 30 pages out of 100. Okay, Now next one is given, Sarita read 2 by 5 of the books. 2 by 5 of the books means 2 by 5 of the 100 pages, because one book containing 100 pages is given. 2 by 5 of the book means, because here is the clue point, here is the turning or the clue point is here. 2 by 5 of the book means 100 pages, because this book contains 100 of pages. Here is the written 100 pages. This is why for Sarita read, because the past tense, Sarita read 2 by 5 of book. As it is, I have already written 2 by 5 of the book means 100 pages. Sarita read 2 by 5 of 100 pages. Now we can solve easily this. 2 by 5 of 100 means, then 5 under 5 and 5 20 times will get cancelled 100. No, 5 under 5 and 5 to get 10 and 0 means 5 will 100 is easily divided by 5. So here 2 of 20 means 2 multiplied by 20. So 2 multiplied by 20 becomes 40 in 40 pages. Here have a look, the consequent value, the resultant value is for Sarita. Yani Sarita read 40 pages. Here Lalit read 30 pages. So who read more? Yes, because Sarita obviously read more. So this is your final answer. The answer is Sarita read more. Sarita ने सबसे ज़्यादा बुक पढ़ी है. Sarita ने सबसे अधिक बुक पढ़ी है. This is your answer. I hope you will be clear. Now next question. Now friends, see, we have taken question number 30. This is the last question, and it is so interesting than the previous question. In a school, 20 students out of 25 passed in 6A, in class 6A section, while 24 out of 30 passed in class section B. Okay, which sections give better result? Now in order to find out the better result of among them, first of all, write the whatever the written for the section class A. Now the for section class A is written in the fraction. First of all, write all the passing or the total students in fraction form. So here the fraction is 20. 20 divided by 25 is fraction, because this is talking about the out of 25. Okay, out of 25 means this 25 is as denominator and this 20 is the past stands as up, means numerator. Now the fraction for 6A becomes 20 by 25. Similarly for class B, for 6B here 24 students is passed out of 30, means 24 by 30 is as fraction. Now decide which gives the better result, which gave the better result. Now in order to solve, first of all now we have to simplify this fraction. Okay, now here this could be written as here 20 divided by 5. Why? Because the ASIF of 20 and 25 is 5. This is why we are going to divide by 5 in each numerator and denominator. Okay, now we are going to turn into simplest term. This is 4 and this is 5. Now similarly we can do for 25 to 24 by 30. Now the HCF of this 24 to 6, this divided by 30 is divided by 6, or 24 is also divided by 6. This is 6 4 ja 4 and 6 5 ja. Here have a look friends, here is the resultant, the same, the result of this fraction as well as this the same, hence we can say both of them have equal result. Okay, both of them have equal result, both have the same result or equal result. We can write both have the same result. This is your answer. Okay, RESULT. I hope you will understand. And your homework friends, your homework is question number 16 to 30. This is your homework. Okay, exercise 5D. I hope you will be very clear. Have a nice day.